Hello. Today we're going to be going on a Google Lit Trip. This is traveling through the works of William Shakespeare. Our first stop is to the setting of Romeo and Juliet in Verona, Italy. One of Shakespeare's most famous tragedies, Romeo and Juliet tells the story of two young, star-crossed lovers from feuding families whose untimely deaths bring their families fighting to an end. Next, we're headed to the setting of the tragedy of Hamlet, Prince of Denmark, in Elsinge, Denmark. Widely regarded as Shakespeare's most famous play, Hamlet follows the young prince of the same name as he falls into madness while trying to exact revenge on his uncle. Now we're heading to Scotland for the setting of the tragedy of Macbeth. The tragedy of Macbeth warns against ambition after telling the tale of Macbeth, a Scottish general, after he murders King Duncan to seize the throne and fulfill a prophecy given to him by witches. And this is a picture from one of the many stage adaptations of Macbeth. We're now heading to the setting of the tragedy of Julius Caesar, which took place in Rome. Although titled after the legendary emperor of Rome, Julius Caesar focuses on the inner turmoil of Caesar's close friend, Brutus, after he sets a plan in motion to carry out one of the world's most infamous betrayals, the assassination of Julius Caesar. And for our last stop, we're going to the setting of the tragedy of Othello, the Moor of Venice, in Venice, Italy. Othello, a general in the Venetian army, murders his love after he falls victim to his own sense of jealousy after being manipulated by Iago, his unfaithful advisor. And that's the end of our tour. Thank you for joining me on our exploration of the settings of the famous works of William Shakespeare.